you once again, and gracious good evening and welcome back to a beautiful Atlantic dining room. This is Raj, your mate here. Hope you had a wonderful, relaxing day in the world of Half Moon Care. I'm sure you're enjoying dinner so far. Well, Carnival has always been about fun. This is deeply embedded in everything we do here on board. In keeping up with that very spirit and culture, your dining room staff, apart from serving you, have decided to perform for you tonight. So please put your hands together, make some noise, enjoy the show, and have a fantastic evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Right side.